The Comité Amigos de Santa Elena was founded in 1981 with a group of friends, a member of our community from San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Santa Elena in Usulután, El Salvador. It's a non-profit organization that is focusing on community development. What we are doing, we've been doing small projects like recreational centers, helping clinics, schools, and in the present we are finishing a sport complex, and we are having our occupational center where our young people can learn things like how to become a carpenter, and also like 2 years ago, with the help of World Vision, CASE finished around 55 houses for people that was affected during the earthquake.
After the devastation of the earthquake, we were the first community group there in Santa Elena to help those who were left without homes. For the first 3 days, we were the only ones there with food, money, and help. Thanks to that, the people in Santa Elena had at least something to eat during those desperate hours. We are reaching out to a lot of people thanks to the selfless Salvadoran community in this side of the border, and I would like to thank them on behalf of those in need. What I enjoy the most is when Salvadorans who live in different cities in the U.S. get together at our events, and we are able to talk about Santa Elena and reminisce about the city we left and can't go back to, but we strategize ways to help it. We are very grateful and excited that an organization as important as Carecen has recognized our work. This means we are doing our job well.
Eso quiere decir de que estamos haciendo un muy buen trabajo y tratando de hacerlo lo mejor posible.